Awesome. With hybrid work becoming the norm, AI reshaping software development and engineering workflows becoming more and more complex, CDEs are gaining traction. But while the benefits, standardization, security, and stability are clear, the industry is still shaping what a CDE really means, and its role is evolving fast. So in our recent State of the CDE report, we surveyed 550 software professionals at large companies and found that many of them struggle to define what a CDE is. So even among active CDE users, only 59% could accurately identify core features, and that tells us that this market is definitely still taking shape. So to our esteemed guests, what does CDE mean to you and your organization?
It's already a quiz.
Yeah. Out of the gate right away. Yeah. I think for me and the way we've been working with it at Splunk is it really means cloud development ecosystem, because I think the term environment is very overloaded, especially when you're talking to engineers, what an environment means. So for us, it's a cloud development ecosystem, meaning the resources they need to get their job done or to test, to develop in the cloud, whether it be an actual environment or other resources along with that, to really empower them to make progress.
To me, CDEs are like it's a decades-long journey of the shift left mentality for software engineering to try to push towards a model where you get the developer closer and closer to production.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we've seen this evolution throughout Terraform, trying to make perfectly replicable environments coming from HashiCorp. We've seen all the advancements in virtualization to try to get it closer and closer to the desktop. Mm-hmm. And then at some point, you've got this, whether it's a cloud deployed environment or a dev container or something, it's all coming down to how can we try to get where you're writing to be as applicable as possible to production so you get as few breaks as possible.
Right. Yeah. We want we call it pre-commit. Everything we can do pre-commit is everything we can do after. The same thing. So that the transition from the developer environment to the next stages should not be this giant leap where developers don't know if it's going to work in the next stage. They should know, because they can do everything locally that happens in the integration environment, in the testing environments. It's all the same. So keep consistency is a key there.
Very true. I agree with that.